I'm over here talking, guys. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? I hope you guys have been able to hear me. Um, yeah, that's not good. But if you guys see this, it says 12 a.m. open as high of the day. Okay. Um, and you can see here that at 8:30, I'm gonna put a little text boxes. These are important times, guys. 8:30 a.m. Was the retracement for the short. Okay. And that is right here. And this is, oh, wait up, right there. So what else? And then it targeted, so this was essentially the New York range. I need to start getting out at my desk at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is um 5 5 o'clock my time, 5:15 latest. I need to start being at my desk at 5:15. So now that I know that, I'm gonna write a little box here. Be at your desk at 5:15 a.m. Mountain Standard Time because I'm in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm gonna write that down. Okay, put that up there. So yeah, we're now okay. So now we have our entry, and I'm gonna erase this, guys. This was an inconvenience. I'm gonna actually screenshot this copy chart image. I'm gonna go to my journal, guys. I'm gonna switch the scene here. I'm gonna do this real quick just so you guys can see that. Um, it was NAS100 and it was July 16th and I took 3 trades, guys, so I'm embarrassed to do this. But this is that transparency where I need to be real with myself. Am I taking this seriously? And it's yes, I am. I trade every fucking day. But am I following the discipline of the best traders in the world? And that's not risking more than 2% a day. And I did four. That's double my max loss in a single fucking day. So now I'm down 7.3%. I have to win my next trade. So unless it's a fucking bread and butter setup, I will not be trading. Tomorrow I'm gonna be look at my fucking trading view and not go to my desk. I'm gonna look at my trading view on my tablet and I'm gonna just determine if I need to fucking turn my computer on. If it's a no, if price hasn't pulled back to a bread and butter setup, high confluence. It can't just be a fib, or it can't just be time of day. It can't just be one thing. It needs to be at least 6 things. And if that bread and butter setup presents itself, I'm gonna take that trade. If not, it's probably gonna be another bearish day tomorrow. Conclude the end of the week, lower volume. But next week, I'm optimistic, guys. I'm optimistic next week. So if I don't take a trade tomorrow, I'd rather not take that because I have to have a bread and butter setup. So today, I'm going to write no rules and no discipline. Well, on the second 2 trades, the first one had rules and discipline. I just over traded at the end. So I was expecting New York reversal bullish for these, and they turned out to be London continuation bearish setups, which is an inconvenience. I fucking fuck. I only need to take one trade. So what was the setup here? It was a 79% fib long. Um, it was at it wasn't even at the big figure 200 level, honestly, guys. Like, yeah, I needed to. So there's a setup happening now, but I need to see how London trades and if certain things. This is a 15-minute chart. I need to go to the daily. It's already starting to reject this big figure level 200. It had gone down to 11, close to 11,000, never got to it. So, but depending on how this trades, it may trade up, take this to go down to 11,000 and take this liquidity for any longs that went down here. So we got to just be careful, guys. You guys see what I'm talking about? This is a new candle, so there's gonna be a lot of action. I think there needs to be a pullback to somewhere along this line. But I'm just doing the daily range, guys. So let me go back to the 15 minute and targets. It targeted the big figure level. This could have been an easy TP1. Oh, let me finish my journal. I'm over here back on the other screen too, but let me just finish this. Fib long, fib long, fib long. Damn, it's a lot of fucking journaling. The it's better just when it's one trade. Um, I think there was a order block. There was a 15-minute order block. Um, right there, there, and for this same fucking trade, I took three different trades. See, this is the thing, guys. Once you're wrong on one trade idea, it's if this fails, it's gonna go down to a certain level and it's gonna need to base out somewhere. So someone could have been optimistic and seen how this trade is out, waited for a breakout, and then come back to retest the big figure 200 level for an entry. But it didn't do that. It didn't even go higher than 200. It stayed down below it. So this was another short entry for a quick, someone could have had a 25 pip stop loss for a 1 to 3. Is this if this is 200, if it goes down to yeah 225, so what, 125 right here. This move is a 1 to 3, guys. Someone could have had the lot size set to for 25 pips of 4 lots. Someone could have got in right here, 4 lots, and then got out right there, and that's a 1 to 3. Setup right there. $3,000 if a 100K account just for this move, but you know. So targets, I'm gonna write 11,000 essentially, 11,050 actually, 11,050. What time of day was that? That was at 1500, so 12, 1, 15, 12, 13, 14, 15, 3 o'clock. So 1500. I'm gonna start writing 1500. Also, AKA 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They're 3 hours ahead, so 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'll do a little AKA. Those are all the same times, guys, in different formats. The move happened at that time, and that was the target. I'm gonna leave that there, and we can see that essentially we had a previous day low right here, guys. The previous day low was right here from the previous day, ran all the way up, created the previous day high, and then ran through the previous day low. So as soon as it tagged the previous day low, that could have been the entry for to make new lower lows. So as soon as it got to 8:30 with 8:30 news, it went short, and this would have been the optimal trade entry within like this range right here. Now I'm gonna erase. I'm gonna just copy this one more time. Oh, I'm doing that same thing again, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm over here on the charts. Let me just fucking do this. Paste, paste, and I'll get better, guys, in time with this YouTube. I just want to show you guys what I'm doing. Loss. I don't want to do that. R to R. It was a 1 to 3. That was being optimistic. Lot size. Probably 3 lots each. Pip gain. I don't want to do this, guys. This is the hard part. I'm embarrassed. I should be putting these numbers down, but I'm not, and I'm down. I'll just be back tomorrow more disciplined. I was not disciplined, no discipline at all. Emotional trading. And I'm actually gonna just do a little video, guys, right here. Um, for What's up, YouTube? So, guys, this is the fun part. 10:22 p.m. and I'm just finishing up my daily trade review for YouTube. And the thing is, it wasn't a bad trade idea. The thing is, I overtraded. It's it's not good. A lot of emotion, a lot of trading on for me a day that's not really a setup that I'm looking for with indicators. Yeah, I could have traded with the trend and got in, but for, it's for me, I'm just over trading. I need to stick to the rules. Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm just doing the last thing for the day for me, and that's just the daily range. Just recording that, do that, journaling. Yeah, that's fun. So bad at this, guys. Doing it for the YouTube just to create content for right now, guys. I'm I'm learning a lot about myself, and this is the journey of a trader. Uh, just watching my Instagram, but you guys see what I see now. Those targets, time of day. Where is the sessions now trading at? I can move these technically to previous day highs. This is the previous day. Move that to right there. I can clean up some of my charts here now, guys. Um, it might come into this order block tomorrow. Previous day low was down here. This fib is null. It is now from this level. We could bring it in from this level now, and you can kind of see that it's 79% over here, but I don't really see anything, guys. And you know, if I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like I'm gonna wait for price to come back up into where's this? What the fuck is this? Fucking throwing me off. So there's this whole impulse now, guys. Price now needs to come and fill up this area. Not only that, eventually it has to come all the way up into these targets up here, and more longer term, you know, we're gonna go to the hour. These are all targets eventually, guys. As soon as price starts to right here's a big one, 12,500. Here's a big one, 15,000. Big one, 14,200. And you know, those were the not even the highs. Look, guys, there's a bunch of targets right here for once price starts to reverse. You know, there was this pullback, you know, but there's always going to be a little pullback. We don't know where the low is going to be. So right now, I have to assume bearish during this move down until there's more confirmation for the move higher. Now, this won't be bullish until it probably takes these highs right. See these equal highs right here? Um, I'll just go like this. Right there, boom. Once price reclaims this level, it might have a pullback, but then once it has that pullback, I know it's going to want to come up, take it all the way up, all the way up. Yeah, it's going to take a while though. Let's go back here, 15-minute chart, and that, yeah, gonna be a little bearish, guys. Weekly low, forgot to move that too. Um, is now right here with the previous day low. Move this 200, not to be exact. Okay, so yeah, so this is my daily range, guys. I did the journal. I'm gonna finish that off. You guys don't have to wait any longer for that. But tomorrow we shall see 12 a.m. open. I'm gonna bring that over here. Has it already been the 12 a.m. open? It sure has. It was right here. Yep. So just gonna bring that out a little bit more. Previous day high. I'm gonna move this down. Drag that out right there. And it's my little note to myself. Be at my desk at 5:15. So I'm gonna wake up at 5 tomorrow. I'm gonna set my alarm right now. I'm honestly looking forward to not even taking a trade tomorrow, guys. That's what I am. I'm not even looking forward to take a trade. I don't want to take a trade unless my setup presents itself. Yeah, that's my thought process from now on. I'm not gonna trade. I don't want to trade. I don't ever want to trade unless my setup presents itself. Okay? No more trading. No more trading. I'd rather sleep in than fucking take a trade or just, you know what I mean, guys, like just not take a trade. So yeah, so tomorrow I'm not gonna trade. And if I see setup, I might look into taking a trade, but I'm not gonna take a trade until my setup presents itself. And I know where my target is. My bigger time frame target's up here. So unless it gets up to here, I'm not gonna get in for a short. It needs to get up here so that I can get in to go short. But I don't want to go short unless it gets up here. You see this? I'll show you guys right now. See this? It's a 15-minute chart. There's an order block right here. I think it's actually going to probably just get to the 38%. We'll see how London trades. Might have that retracement. If that's the case, I'm not getting in for a buy until more bullish confirmation, maybe next week. But if it gets up into this level, you can best bet like I'm gonna try to get in at this order block. Let's see where this order block is. 30-minute maybe hourly. Last up candle before the move down, maybe a 4 hour. Yeah, it's a 4 hour order block. Perfect. The last up candle. And you can see that there's a little fair value gap. It's from this body to body from the lows. But we can also see that there's a fair value gap right here to right there. So anywhere in this range could be a target. So guys, honestly, we'll see where time is. We'll see how far price comes up on this. This would have been a good entry right here at 11,200 would have been a good entry. Have a 50-point stop. 1150 right here. You know, so probably came up, came down, and then came up. So, but if you had a 50-point stop, you were good. Anywhere down here for a long, it's premium price. Get in long at 1150. Shit, that's already 200 points in profit right here. But yeah, guys, that's those things. I need to start becoming more ruthless with how I trade and just keep trading, never stop. Like always see where these times. There's only a day, and when time and price line up in that day, then in the day it usually happens at specific times in the day. So it's good to always analyze what's happening at certain parts of the day. Um, you can see that there's bullish momentum now that the London is opening up. So we'll see what happens. This was 2100. So 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This was this is a 4 hour chart, so let's I don't really know what time London starts. It starts at 2:30, it looks like 2 or 2:30, so in like another hour. See what happens, see how London trades. It might just keep going up, and if it comes up into these levels, that did the Fibonacci retracement tool. You guys can see that where these ellipses are. I'm gonna move this ellipse. Actually, that's not that ellipse. Delete, delete right there to right here. And now it's starting to retrace. Now, mindful guys, there's an order block right here, and if price gets up into this level, it may just start to fall down. If that's the case, previous day low, weekly low, it may get ran through during Friday, guys. Honestly, if you're gonna take a bullish buy, the momentum's been weak. I highly don't recommend taking a buy tomorrow if that's what you're looking for. I say wait till next week, see what happens Monday as the markets open, and be good and disciplined and trade accordingly. All right, guys, that's my daily range. I'm Martin Day Trades. Keep following me. I'm eventually gonna start posting like little snippets and things about my day-to-day life uh, of being an entrepreneur and the shit. Sometimes it's not all shit. It's the journey that we're experiencing. So get rid of that. So yeah, this is just a short-term play move right here, and see what happens. A bigger move would be from here to here. This Fibonacci from here to here. So now there's levels up here, so we'll see. Smart and day trades. Have a great day, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.